reason.
And I thought you, if you whom they all respect and fear.
My dear child, I cannot bend this Gascon pride of mine to accept such a kindness.
Calculate, scheme, be afraid, love more to make a visit than a poem, seek introductions, favors, influences. No, thank you. No, I thank you, and again I thank you.
Impossible.
This ain't love. No, 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 this ain't love. This ain't love. No, 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 this ain't love. This ain't love. No, 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 this ain't love. I'm bones and flesh, but I don't break. Built walls up so I can't escape. Wish I could say I was okay. Loved you till my tears went silent. If this is war, I don't think I can fight it. Had to let you go, let it flow, cry. Can't say we didn't try. no, 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 this ain't love. This ain't love. No, 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 this ain't love.
We are both fools. My son, I have just realized that we are both fools. But mine is the greater folly, for I am an older fool.
Alright, let's get the stream started. Let me turn down the music a bit. That should be low enough, I hope. So, a couple things I want to do in today's stream. Yeah, cool. So, a couple things I want to do. I want to fix error messages, so let me actually create a to-do list here. Oh, do we not have a to-do list? Huh. Okay, that's a bit annoying. We don't have a to-do list. So I guess let's make one. So what I want to do, nope, not that. I don't want to synthesize copilot errors. Fuck off. Let's add a Rust-like error. We're just gonna put messages. So I want to do like a similar. So the way I want the errors to look, I want to say invalid. Invalid. Let's actually just steal our parser error here, because unexpected token found. So we're gonna do unexpected token found, and then we want the type. So unexpected token found of type. Then we'll do something like this, where we have or whatever. No, Rust the programming language. So if we go to Firefox here, I mean not Firefox, Brave, and look up a Rust error example. So Rust errors are really, really nice in the way that they look. So you can't see that. Let me find a good one here. Yeah, this one's actually not too bad. Let's open this image in a new tab. Zoom in a little bit. Booyah. So this is what a Rust error message looks like. It's actually going pretty good. Let me show it to you guys. Oh, I'm not sure if you guys knew about this little neat trick here. Let me minimize that. But if you have your terminal open, what you can do that I noticed is really actually cool, if you do Windows and then like your tilde key, it'll open the terminal. I didn't know that. So I've been using this a ton, so I don't have to open my terminal down the bottom, which is really nice. Let's Z into the desktop here. Okay, and let's go forward into the... Where is it? Okay, slash Quill. Ah, there it is. Let me just make sure this is correct. Nope. Okay, hold up. I gotta find it on my desktop. I think it is this one. Okay, yeah, no, it is Quill v3. Okay. Let's code dot open this in VS Code so that we can create a live server of it. Yeah, so I do too, Mitch, because right now our errors and stuff. So let's say that we have this, right? This would error because you don't need semicolons because we just add a end of file line to the end of the line. So if we were to run this, right, let me Z back over into Quill. Also, the extension that I'm using is called ZHopper. Very, very nice. Let's go back. So a while back, there was some updates added to where you don't have to run deno anymore. So you don't have to know the deno command. You can do /run, and then you can say allow read, and it'll read out the file. So this is what our errors look like now. We have unexpected token found during parsing, gives you what the token is, and tells you what line it is. What I want to do is, because I like the way this looks, right? I don't think this looks too bad. Let me just copy this. Have, and then we need to point to the error, right? So the error here. Sorry, I'm like, my brain is going crazy right now. I'm just gonna let Copilot generate this real quick and see what we think. We don't need the bit, and we don't need the column. Alright. What do you guys think of this style of error? I actually kind of like this. Trying to go for maybe something like this. But the problem is, I don't know how we do this. And that's the problem. Because I know how we can do the line and everything. But the only problem is, how do we do that? Obviously, we'd also need the type. So slash. Instead of saying expected, we say of type identifier. Okay, and then we can move the file name up here. Unexpected token in file of type identifier expected semicolon on line 1. No, we don't want to expect this because we don't need it. So the semicolon is not needed for this. So how can we write this? Alright, before we go any further though, let's go over to the, yes, this one. So let's create a live server for this so you guys can see what this looks like. I would like to thank Techchat for improving my code, and also starting to make the documentation part of it as well, to like give us an example of what to do. You did a really great job, and I severely appreciate it as well. Run live server, there it is. So this is what it looks like when it's small, right? Just nice and simple when it's to this value. If we full screen it, you get this nice little effect here. That changes. You have the Discord, the GitHub, the YouTube channel, also the documentation page, which we are going to be working on today. We are going to be writing some documentation for this as well. Depending on how long it takes us to implement error messages, or nice error messages. But now we will have a documentation page. Hopefully start to have a documentation page for the end of stream, so that you guys will be able to learn how Quill works. Yeah. This is what it looks like though so far. I think it looks pretty good. Nice, simple, straight to the point. Yeah. Alrighty. So what do our error messages look like now? So we say we found this on line 121. What did our old error messages look like? Because we don't want to expect this. This should be the error here. So we can say the error would be this. So we say in the file of what file we're in. If I can figure out how to do that, yes, there should be. So we say unexpected token in the file of test.ql of type identifier with the error of this at line 1. Yeah, I think that actually looks. Alright, yeah, what do you guys think of this error? I think this error looks pretty good actually. How do we colorize it though? Oh, we can colorize it exactly like that. What do you guys think of this? I kind of like the way that this error message looks. Yeah, I think this actually looks pretty good. Alright, so now we gotta figure out how to do it though, which is gonna be a massive pain in the ass. Just Control Alt. Alright. And by that, you can get a all sentence from the line. Yeah. Yeah, I think so too. Etc. It's just the problem is we have to find where the lines are being stored and what value they're being stored in, so that we're able to actually pull out the exact line, which is the problem I'm having trying to think of how to do, because I haven't done anything like this. Because I know how to grab, I can figure out how to grab all of this, because we're already grabbing the line in the error. We can grab the identifier, that's pretty easy. And then the problem is I can figure out how to grab the file, but what I'm trying to figure out is how we can grab this line, which is the problem. Which we could do like where the cursor is currently at in the position, because it's going to throw an error at the position it's at. So that's the only thing I'm trying to think of how to do. It's both. I'm still trying to decide whether to name it Azura or Quill. Still trying to decide between the two. So I guess let's start building this out. So we have the unexpected error during parsing, right? So now we want to do \n. If I can type n, that would be nice. \n, thank you. And let's grab our quotes here. Get rid of that, and let's paste this down here so we have a reference of what we're doing here. Okay. Oh, let me just do this. Tilde boom, boom. Alright, there we go. Can I use line number? Because line number is stored in the lexer. So the way we're grabbing the line is we have in our lexer, we have a variable called line, and we're indexing it from at 1 here. I was thinking of somehow using the SRC, just because if we console log the SRC, I believe. Oh no, the SRC just prints out this. Because it splits it. So what if we do src dot join the values here. Ah, look at that. All right. Yeah. That is true. All right, so source code is being put in as a string, and we're tokenizing the source code. Okay, so we can call the tokenize function. Oh shit, I didn't mean to do that. Problem is though, we're getting all of this. We don't want all this. We only want the error we're having here. So, can we do like dot current position, dot current? Oh, we can say dot error, right? No. Because we only want to get the where we're getting the error from. What is this doing? That should only give us the length of the file. Which is, yeah, that will only give us the length of the file. Which we don't want that, so. So, we know we want to use the tokenize. But how can we use the tokenize function to then grab? This is going to be interesting, very interesting, very interesting, very interesting. Alright, where are we using the function of tokenize? Let's see here. I think we're using it in our main file. Is where we're getting new parser. No, okay, so we're not using it in here. Are we using it in our parser then? Let's see. Let's go up to the top here. Yes, okay, so we do have tokenize. We have tokens. No, I don't have a domain for the website yet, unfortunately. I do want to get one soon though for it. Where are we using tokenize here? Expect. Okay, so we're using tokenize in our produce AST module. So if we say produce AST of the source code, we should be able to get the error. So let me go down to here and let's see. So if we call this dot produce AST, we need to pass in a file. So we need something to be equal to a string here. So we can say const error is equal to a type of string, so we can just say string, or we can have an empty string array, and then we can pass in error. Okay. Dot body? Why are we having an error here? What? Alright, hold up. Before we do this, let's copy this. We can just do whatever this is telling me to do for now. But what I want to try, why can't we do, why are you saying expression is not collapsible, type string has no call signature? Yeah, there's no string in it. What the hell? Alright, that's weird as fuck. Whatever. Alright. I do want to see what we get when we console log that information here. Console dot log. Let's console log this. And error is not a thing anymore, so let's make a new variable called const error, which is now equal to a string. Oh, let's. Can we not do that? The hell? Ugh. Okay. This is gonna be harder, a lot harder than I thought it was gonna be. How can we... Oh, this is confusing. Very, 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 very confusing. Because we need to grab the file itself, and we know that's being put here as well. We're passing in, when we say token, what is token? So token's storing all these values here. So let's console log token real quick. Console log, and let's log the token. Okay, so that's where we're getting the line, the type, and whenever we print out something. What about this one? Let's console dot log is int. That's is integer, which is not even being called. Okay. Log tokenize. Let's say let src uncut. What? Add tokenize. Tokenize dot join. The fuck? So can we say export? If I can spell export. to export this function? I can't. So how can we get src? Because that's what we need to be printing out. Because if we say hashtag let's print the error, the source code error, line by line. Console.log. We're gonna want to log the source code dot char at. Maybe? No. But if we log this, and we know that we're gonna get this. Okay. So you're talking about create this as a global function. So I've never created a global function, so let's look this up. Is it just literally saying global? Let's look at this. Declare function. Okay, that didn't help. Global function in TypeScript. Global.value. Is that literally how you do it? You just say global dot whatever? No, that can't be it. That's not even readable. Let's go to all. See if we can find any docs on it. And global object provides a variable. Alright, hold on. Oh, I hate TypeScript, but I love TypeScript. Yeah. I've never had to declare a global function. Give me a second. Alright, let me look up a super global then. Global and TS. Because I've never used a super global before. Alright. Super global in TS. No. Hold up. If we can just move. Nope, I don't want to do that. There we go. That's what I want to do. Declare var age, global this dot age. Okay. So we wanted to say global this dot age. So say global this dot. Yes, I meant that. But I need to have src already defined, right? I believe I already need to have src already defined. Yeah. So I already need to have this defined, right? So we can say const src to be equal to a, or take of type of string. Not like that. Why is this still wrong? What do you mean? Because this is the src one. This is where we want to grab the src from. Unless we can grab it from token. Hold up a second. Hold up a second. We may be able to do this easier. Let's log the token. Nope, the big token. Can we not log the big token? The hell? I guess we can't. Okay, never mind. Like error.src. Oh, okay. So I've never used a global function before. Element in place the global.this.error src is equal to. Okay, I see. Is equal to the src. Implement has an any type still. What? How do you have a fucking any type? Alright, let's try dots this. No. Has to be the global this. Error. You probably will error. You won't error. What happens if we try to call this dot error? This dot. Or no, it was error src. So error. I feel like I'm being just like a complete numbskull. Yeah, I'm definitely being an idiot here. Alright. Ah. So how can we... I've never used super globals before. Pardon me, guys. I'm sorry. No, I'm probably being a complete dummy here. No, you're good. So let's say function show line of error. We want to take in the source code, a line. Okay, let me try that in a second. Want to split the source code. And then after we split it, we want to join it back together. The line of error. Then we want to return line of error. Yeah, that's not right, but we'll see. Alright, so just try global. So let's make src a global variable. So access it from anywhere. It looks like it is only global this. Global this dot src. Yeah, no, that's it. In I guess in TypeScript, the only way to make a global variable is global. Alrighty, yeah, because I'm majorly confused here. Oh, we don't want to look in the hyperget. Alright, let's try going about it this way. So we have function show line of error, which takes in the source code, which is a string, and then the line it is on. Then we have then we split the source code. Then we say let the line of error be equal to an empty type of string. We iterate through it. Say lines plus. Do we need anything else here? If I is greater than the line, then we break. Line plus the lines. Okay. So let's go into our parser. We want to get the line that we're on that has the error. Then we want to say show line error, which we need to import from our Lexa here. So from the Lexer, also want to import show line error. Oh, do we never put it as an export type? No, we did not. Export function, show line of error. Alright, and then let's grab, say this dot at line. Let's see. Source code dot split is not a function, but it is a function. the fuck? Why are we getting error when we try and split the source code like we're doing before?
If you knew he was your dad, would you be proud of that? Happy?
I don't know, I was just kind of happy that I knew. You know, Mama seems so sure. But if he doesn't want me, then I don't want him. It's fine.
Hey, what's up, Tom? Well, TK is an identifier, not what we actually want. So we want to grab the parse args, I believe. So let's try parse args. No. Oh, hold on. Function declaration. It's like we want to grab it from the main file because that's okay. Hold on, let me try something here. So in the main file we have our input, right? So let's do something here. Let's say or we can use const input underscore error is equal to the await on a read test.ql, and then we want to then say export the const of program and set that equal to parser dot produce ast type of parser. Okay, so we can say const parser error is equal to new parser, and we would say parser error dot produce ast of the input error. Then let's console dot log the program. Program underscore error, and then let's call it console log inside of here, and this is probably making an error somewhere. Console log result. Or no, we don't want to console log the result. We want to console log the program error. We still get nothing. So let's do show line of error of the program error and where the line is at. Okay, I think we can do that. Can't access program error before initialization. God damn it. Huh. Alright, let me look at this. Yeah, that's what the a number though. So let's keep looking, I guess. No, it's not nice at all. It is not nice. Okay. Let's get rid of this. But you're saying if I set this equal to 18, no, it's still errors. I want to shoot myself in the foot. Let me see if Tyler is online. All right. Wait, can we call parse primary expression? Oh, okay, we can. Oh, ho, ho, ho. Wait a second. Yeah, so I already have the so we already have the line error that we the line error, right? So we have this dot line. This gives out what error the line is on. So if I rerun our terminal here, oh, that's because, right? So if we run our error, we see that the error is on line 122. If we go to line 122, we see that we have an error here. It's going to be this semicolon, because we don't need the semicolon to have a variable declaration. So we already have the line number, and the way we're doing that is through the lexer, setting line being equal to 1, and then passing the line to each token value here. Alright, passing the line to each token value, and then at the end we return line, which is then equal to this line, which is up here. And the baby line that we're seeing is in the line with the token, and then we recall it here, and then we set it equal to a number. And the value is the actual. Oh, wait a second. Hold up. This dot value dot join. Because if we can join the value back together, we should be able to get the line where the error is happening. Because it's taking away. Okay, hold on. How can we join this value together? We need to somehow join the dot value back together so that we can actually get yeah, because we're getting the value of it, right? So value is a type of string. What is src.shift console dot let's log the src.shift. Just want to see what that is. I'm curious. Character found in source. Okay. Yeah, so we need to somehow rejoin the value back together, even though we're not splicing the value. We're splitting the source code. Because value is equal to a string. So if we can join those values together, we should be able to get that line that it's on. Let's console, let's log the value here. So if we can say value.join, dot join, but join isn't a thing. It doesn't exist on type string. Concatenate. Dot concatenate. Oh. Oh, that just gives it its values. And then I think now you can say dot join. No. Okay, idea. Alright, where are we getting dot value from? From there. Okay. Parser. Let's create a new function. Show the line of error. So we have const value is equal to this dot value. We don't want the line. Fuck the line. And then we want to say return that's for now let's console log, and we want to say dot. Can we put a dot join on this one? No. This is annoying. Dot concatenate. Okay, so now if we call show line error, this dot show line error because we know it's on the value. But when we call this dot at, it only returns the current token that we're on. Idea. Instead of this dot add, because we're printing the current value it's at, dot next. dot next dot value. What does that output? End of line. Idea, a very good idea. We need to have a function that prints the before as well. So private before, and then we want to return -1. So if we can say before dot value, dot before, this should return, properties of defined. This dot before dot type. I feel like I'm going on about this in the, yeah, you can't do that. Previously. Oh, it's because we can't split it. Hold on. But we still get an error. God fucking damn it. Because we can't do... What should we call it previously? IOUS? Yeah. The IOUS. Previous. Alright, this dot previous dot value. Oh, that's good. Oh, that's actually really, really good. So now, if we can just create a for loop that will then return, that would then generate the line. So / have a loop that will return the full line of the previous token. So we say let I equal this dot token, and the prev and then this would be token type of EOF and the file. Now it's undefined. So hold on. Oh, because we're not returning anything. Then we want to return prev. That's better. Okay, we get object object. So can we do prev dot value? Prev dot line? No. Let's console log I. Let's use a for loop. So for let's check this. So for I, if I is greater than or equal to 0, then I minus minus. If this token's minus, if this token's of I dot line is not equal to the prev dot line, then break. The funny thing is, I don't have it. I feel like I'm going with the right logic. Maybe instead of saying -1, because we're already iterating backwards to the value. No, I can't. -0 maybe. Let's try that. Problem is now though we're getting just an object prev dot value dot join. Let's try maybe dot concatenate. -5. Do it then. Get an error. -4. So you can only do -1, which is frustrating. You get error at end of file, So it is going back 1. Can we print out the identifier? Let's get rid of that. And then let's say this dot previous. Yeah, so the last token is end of file because after the so it's right, it is going back, but it's only going back 1, which is the problem. let's const have, or const results. No. What is okay, hold on. Why can't we only go back one? Yeah, so it's reading the end of the file. Why can't you do... Oh my god. Yeah, we needed to know the last token, and then from the last token return the value. Alright. You gotta love programming. Because we're going back one now, which is good. So we're getting the end of file. Because if we do, say, another one, we should now get a semicolon at the end of it. If we don't get a fucking error. But that's probably why. Now we can just get end of file? Yeah, I'm about to. All right, let's go. Let's do this. GT. Oh, apparently I already have installed. I don't want to do an API key. Alright. This is gonna be fun. You gotta love this. Okay, what's wrong? And please enable OpenAI API key. Okay. move that off screen. Alright, I'm just gonna not show my key real quick. Alright, we're good. Okay. You gotta be fucking kidding me. Alright, fuck this. We're just gonna use the online version, the web browser version, because that's easier. We're just gonna use the online version. I feel like we're getting closer, but I don't know. This is annoying. Very, 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 very annoying. Yeah, that's what I'm trying to. I'm trying to figure out how to word it. I don't put in my password, so you guys can't see anything. All right. Alright. What will it not know what tokens are? Yeah. Yeah, I did mention it's TypeScript. The fuck, dude? Alright, so it's doing everything that we were doing, but we weren't setting it to an array, so we were only returning the last value. And you return the private tokens array. Alright, let's try it. Let's try it. I guess let's just try it. Or wait, do we? Okay, unshift is a built-in function. That's annoying. So this is the line of the error. Okay. What is I? I is 1. Why is I 1? I is Q because you are getting 2 tokens or 2 objects. I gotcha. It's console.log previous tokens. It's just an empty array. So we're saying if the tokens of dot line, if tokens of I dot line are less than the previous line, then we break. It's only unshifting 1 though. Why is it only unshifting 1? Okay. So, and that would be here, right? Since you cut length minus 1, you get 1. But we can't do anything else. Because if we say this dot tokens, then it's going to error out anything. Okay, let me say I am still only receiving 1 token. I'm gonna be so happy when we get the error, or when we actually get the line that we're looking for. Alright, so make sure the line numbers in your tokens array are correct. It is, we already checked that. Previous function depends on the line property of each token to determine which tokens are on the previous line. If the line numbers are not correct, the function will not work as expected. Well, double check the logic in the for loop. The loop should start from the last token in the array, so I, right? So it starts at the last token, I. Oh, oh, we can't do that. Oh wait, yes we can. Can we console log the tokens here? Because we're starting at zeros, so we just need to say that should run it forward. Yeah, it's only running it once, which is weird. So let's console log I as well. Aha! There's our problem. So we go back. So just looking at I, we go back to here, and then we go back to here, and then it just stops. Why does it just stop? Because it has a break here. Let's try this. No, it still just stops. Aha! There's the problem. There's the problem right there. So let's set I is equal to 100. Probably gonna error. Yeah, it's gonna error. Interesting. Very, very, very interesting. Also, guys, I am in the Zero Programming Discord server, VC. I forgot to mention that. So that is very interesting. So what if we have I is equal to 20? Oh. Can't have this. Type. Let's have, yeah, the indexing is being limited, so it's starting at, it's starting at 1, which is the end of file, and then it's going backwards. So we want to iterate forwards to the loop as well. So hold on. Let prev line, or let prev, we'll say let prev equal this dot tokens dot length -1, and then wherever we see the I, we'll just say that we're not using I, but instead we are using the prev here, and then here we want to have this, and then this will be turned into a constant. Then this also here needs to be put as a prev. Okay. Oh, and now we're just getting the end of file. Huh. Why is that? Now we're only getting the end of file. So why are we getting only the end of file? Can you take away the limits? Yeah, limits on the index. Alright, let's try it. So let's just make sure, where did it get tokens from? So first off, these need to be constants. There we go. So we have the constant of the current line, which is this dot tokens, is this dot tokens dot length -1 dot line. Okay. I don't think we can do -2 or 3. It will error out every single time. And we have the const prev line, which is equal to the current line -1. Collect all the tokens on the previous line. We put them into an array. We say for let I is equal to this dot tokens dot length -1. I is greater than or less than 0. We want to do I minus minus. If this dot tokens, I still think this is probably going to be wrong. Let's print out the console.log. Let's log the prev tokens here. Yeah, it's still wrong. So problem is we can't do +10 and we can't do +1. Can we only literally do -1? Why are you erroring now? You gotta love this. Uncaught, cannot read properties of undefined reading line. The fuck? So instead of going backwards, what if we go forwards? So, okay, I have a really bad idea. Let's control Z real quick. -1. I ++. Just let me do my thing, please. Alright, so that's the, we're just gonna ignore that. Wait, but now I just didn't find anything. Alright, let's go back to this real quick. Let's console log I. Console log this. Console log the prev line, and we also want to console log I. Console dot log. Let's log the current line, the previous line, and then I want to console dot log. I want to log I out and see what that is. So you get 123, 123, 122, 1, 122, 123, 122, 0. Let's also log out the previous token. What's up? Yeah, I can pack it up. Let's, I guess, move all of these into when we do this. Why can't I console log this? The hell? Yeah, I know. But the problem is if we do this dot tokens, it'll error out, so we have to do dot length, and then we can't just leave it there by itself because then it'll error out everything. So, or maybe not, hold on. Let's try to get rid of the console logs. Yeah, it'll error out, so if we do -1, it'll run fine, but let's say we want to add 1, it will error out again. So I don't know what we're doing wrong here, which is kind of frustrating. But I do have to go. So I'm gonna publish the code, and yeah, let's, I guess, tab this forward a bit. No, I probably didn't. And let's just \n. Okay, this dot type and the value, and then the line. be 121 with the unspec'd token in the file undefined of type 40. Boom and boom. Look at the first const. Alright, hold on. Yeah. Yeah. Problem is, if we take away the -1, that's gonna error. See, it errors. Alright. Alright. I have to go. Trying to add Rust-like error messages. I hope you guys enjoyed the stream. I'm probably going to be streaming later today, trying to probably fix the same issue. And yeah, I'll see you guys in a bit. Peace. I will come back later to this. I do promise that.